Good morning, dear students. Students, let's start surface area and volumes. Here we have question number third. The floor of a rectangular hole has a perimeter 250 meter. If the cost of the painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter is rupees 15,000, find the height of the wall. Students, here we have the rectangular hole and the perimeter of the floor is given 250 meter. And in this question, we have the cost of painting the four walls at the rate of rupees 10 per square meter is rupees 15,000, and we need to find the height of the hole. So, if we want to paint the four walls, that means here we need to find the literal surface area of cuboid. In the literal surface area, we take only walls, not the floor and the roof. So, let's start. Let the length, breadth and height of the rectangular hole be L, B, H meter respectively. Perimeter of the floor of the hole is 2 into L plus B. Okay, that means summing up the boundaries of the floor. In this way, 2L plus B is equals to 250 and 2 comes in the denominator. By cancelling out, we get L plus B is equals to 125. Area of four walls is equals to area of cuboid minus area of floor minus area of top. That means we have to take the literal surface area by taking the boundary, that is the walls only. No need to take here the floor and the roof. So in this way, the area of the floor is L into B and the area of roof is again L into B. So we construct the formula as 2 into LH plus 2 into BH. So here put the value of L plus B 125. In this we get 250H, but area of four walls is 250H square meter. But students, in this question, cost of painting of 1 square meter area is given rupees 10 and the cost of painting 250H square meter area is rupees 10 into 250H. And students, in this statement, the total cost is given 15,000. So by equating these two, we get the height is equals to 6 meter. Students, question is very simple. In this question, we have given the perimeter. By using the formula of area of four walls, we write area of cuboid by subtracting the area of wall, floor and top. So we construct the formula 2LH plus 2BH, and we know that 2L plus B is equals to 250. So by putting this value, we get area of four walls as 250 H square meter. But students, here the cost of painting the per square meter area is given. By using that, we get the height 6 meter. Now here we have next question. The paint in a certain container is sufficient to paint an area equal to 9.375 square meter. How many bricks of dimensions 22.5 centimeter cross 10 centimeter cross 7.5 centimeter can be painted out of this container? In this question, we have to paint a certain container, and here the paint an area equal to 9.375 square meter. How many bricks of dimension? So students, how many bricks of these dimension length, breadth, height can be painted out of this container? So here number of bricks that can be painted out of the container is equals to area can be painted by the container divided by surface area of the brick. So students, first we find the total area that have to be painted divided by surface area of one brick. So area that can be painted by the container is 9.375 square meter, and here dimension is in centimeter, so we convert here square meter into centimeter, and we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So we will write here square of 100, we get 10,000. By calculating this, we get 93,750 square centimeter. So total surface area of one brick is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. By putting the values of the dimensions of the brick LBH, we get 937.5 square centimeter. Now students, we need to require the number of bricks. For that, total area to be painted divided by surface area of one brick. In this way, by cancelling this, we get the 100. So 100 bricks can be painted out by the paint of the container. Here we have the last question, question number 6. A small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pans, including base, held together with tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. What is the area of the glass? Students, in this question we have a small indoor greenhouse, and in this we have to include the base as well, holding with the tape, and it is given that 30 centimeter is long, this length is 30 centimeter and breadth is 25 centimeter, and the height is also 25 centimeter. What is the area of the glass? Okay students, so let's start. Length, breadth and height are given in centimeter. The greenhouse is cuboid. This is in the shape of cuboid. So glass is on the all 6 sides of cuboid greenhouse. So area of glass is equals to surface area of greenhouse. So its formula is 2LB plus BH plus HL. By putting the values, you have to just do simple calculation. We get 4,250 square centimeter. Now students, with the same question, we need to find out how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. Edges are, you can see here, A to B is the edge, B to C is the edge, and B to H. Okay, in the same way, these are the edges at which faces meet together. So here there are total 12 edges, in which AB is the length, FH is the length, ED and GC are the length. So here we have the 4 lengths. In the same way, we have 4 breadths and we have 4 height. So by total length of tape will be 4L plus 4B plus 4H. By putting the value of LBH, we get 320 centimeter. Therefore, 300 centimeter tape is required for all the 12 edges. So students, in this way today we have completed questions up to 6. So if you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.